Want to know the secret to doubling your money effortlessly? It's all about harnessing the power of compound interest. By investing your money wisely, you can watch it grow exponentially over time. But how exactly does compound interest work? And how can you make it work for you? In this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of compound interest, showing you how it can work wonders for your money. It's like planting a seed that grows into a flourishing tree over time. You'll feel a spark of excitement as you realize the potential to double your hard-earned cash. Get ready to embark on a journey where your money isn't just sitting idle but actively multiplying itself. Let's unlock the secrets of financial growth together and start making your dreams a reality. Understanding compound interest. Understanding compound interest is like unraveling a mystery of wealth building. It's not just about the initial investment, it's about watching your money grow exponentially over time. Picture a small seed planted in fertile soil, slowly but steadily sprouting into a mighty tree, bearing fruits of financial abundance. Patience becomes your companion on this journey as you witness the magic of compounding unfold. With each passing period, there's a sense of anticipation, knowing that your wealth is multiplying effortlessly. It's a testament to the power of perseverance and the beauty of delayed gratification. So, nurture your investments, stay consistent, and watch as your dreams take root and flourish. The power of time. Time is like the secret ingredient in the recipe of compound interest, and it's a game changer when it comes to growing your wealth. The sooner you begin investing, the more time your money gets to play and multiply. Think of it as planting seeds in a garden. The earlier you sow them, the taller and stronger the trees will grow. It's never too late to start, but the earlier you do, the better. Each passing day holds potential for your money to blossom into something significant. Don't let procrastination steal this opportunity from you. Take that first step today and watch your financial garden flourish with each passing season. Setting financial goals. Before embarking on the journey of compound interest, it's like setting sail on a ship. You need to chart your course. Defining your financial goals is akin to plotting your destination on a map. Whether it's sailing towards retirement bliss, anchoring in your dream home, or securing your child's future, having a clear vision guides your journey. Take stock of your comfort with risks, how soon you plan to reach your goals, and the growth you aim to achieve. Like a captain navigating through rough seas, setting these goals helps steer your investment ship in the right direction. With a well-defined path, you can adjust your sails to weather any financial storms and reach your desired shores with confidence and satisfaction. High-yield savings accounts. One effective method to earn through compound interest is by utilizing high-yield savings accounts. These accounts typically offer higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow at a faster pace. By depositing your savings into a high-yield account, you can take advantage of the compounding effect to steadily increase your wealth over time. It's a low-risk option that provides a reliable source of passive income through compound interest accumulation. Certificate of deposits, CDs. Another avenue to earn through compound interest is by investing in certificate of deposits, CDs. CDs are time-bound deposits offered by banks and credit unions, where you agree to keep your money deposited for a specified period in exchange for a fixed interest rate. The longer the term of the CD, the higher the interest rate typically offered. With CDs, you can capitalize on the power of compounding as your investment earns interest over the agreed-upon term, leading to potential growth of your initial deposit. Dividend-paying stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is another strategy to generate income through compound interest. Dividend-paying companies distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders in the form of dividends, which can be reinvested to purchase additional shares of the company's stock. By reinvesting dividends, you can leverage the compounding effect to gradually increase your ownership stake in the company over time. This not only boosts your potential for capital appreciation, but also enhances your dividend income through compound interest growth. Bond investments. Bond investments offer another avenue for earning through compound interest. Bonds are fixed income securities issued by governments, municipalities, or corporations, where investors lend money in exchange for periodic interest payments and the return of the principal amount at maturity. Through bond investing, you can benefit from the compounding effect as interest payments are reinvested to purchase additional bonds or other income-generating assets. This continuous reinvestment enables your investment to grow steadily over time through compound interest accrual. Retirement accounts, 401k IRA. Maximizing contributions to retirement accounts such as 401ks and individual retirement accounts, IRAs, is a smart way to earn through compound interest while saving for retirement. These accounts offer tax advantages that allow your investments to grow tax-deferred or tax-free, depending on the account type. By consistently contributing to your retirement accounts and investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets, you can harness the power of compounding to build a substantial nest egg for your golden years. Peer-to-peer lending platforms, peer-to-peer P2P. Lending platforms provide an alternative method for earning through compound interest by acting as intermediaries between borrowers and lenders. As a lender on P2P platforms, you can earn interest income by lending money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for regular interest payments. By reinvesting the interest earned from successful loan repayments, you can compound your returns over time, potentially increasing your overall investment portfolio. P2P lending offers diversification and the opportunity to earn attractive returns through compound interest accumulation. Diversification and risk management. Compound interest is like a supercharged engine for growing your wealth, but it's crucial not to put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investments is like having a safety net. It shields you from the ups and downs of the market. Instead of relying solely on one type of investment, spread your money across different areas, like stocks, bonds, and real estate, just like planting various seeds in a garden. This way, if one sector takes a hit, you won't lose everything. And don't forget to regularly check on your investments and make adjustments as needed. It's like tending to your garden, pruning here, watering there, to ensure everything continues to grow strong and steady toward your financial goals. Harnessing the power of automation. Taking control of your finances can sometimes feel overwhelming, but automating your savings and investments is like having a reliable partner by your side. It's as easy as setting up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings or investment accounts, ensuring you're always putting money aside for your future. And if you're lucky, your employer might even enroll you in retirement plans without you lifting a finger. It's like having a personal assistant managing your finances behind the scenes so you can focus on what truly matters. With automation, you'll effortlessly build your wealth, one contribution at a time, without the stress of manual planning. To wrap it all up, compound interest is like a hidden gem in your money toolkit, boosting you closer to your goals. When you get how it works and act on it, you're building a road to a better financial tomorrow. It doesn't matter if you're just starting or already know the ropes. Grasping compound interest can speed up your money journey. So jump in soon, stick to your strategy, and see your money grow magically over the years. Remember, the secret to unlocking this treasure trove is the incredible power of compound interest. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights on personal finance, investing, and wealth building. Here's to your financial success. Until next time, happy investing.